Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be cooking some spaghetti. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please, if you do, give it a thumbs up, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to watch more videos like this one. So I have my spaghetti here. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put water in a sphere and bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiled, I'm going to add in my spaghetti in batches. So yeah, once I'm done adding the spaghetti in the water, I'm going to take my wooden stick, just move it gently, slowly, until all the spaghetti is immersed in the boiling water. Remember, I didn't put anything in this water, it's just water. So it doesn't take much time before all the spaghetti is immersed into the water. It takes about 6 to 7 minutes to cook. So I hope you can see it. There's a lot of smoke coming in from the pot. So I'm going to transfer everything to my small basin. This is the spaghetti together with the hot water. I didn't pour it. So I'm adding in cold water just to remove the excess starch on the spaghetti before I fry it. So wash it nicely and drain all the water. It should look like this. Drain all the excess water. It's like you are washing it. Yeah, you know what I mean. So I'm going to add some oil and some salt in a sphere and put it on heat. So the next thing, I'm going to add in my spaghetti. Give it a nice turn just to make sure all the spaghetti, all the oil is distributed enough into our spaghetti. So yeah guys, it's that simple. Just give it a nice turn to make sure everything is well combined. So the next thing, you can serve your spaghetti with your stew, whatever you like to combine it with. For me, this is it. I love it this way. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I will see you in my next video guys. Ciao ciao.